Now this illustration deals with layering of protective clothing in accordance with 70E M.1 to the Annex M, where this protective layering of equipment such as PPE is listed for its maximum ARC rating. Now notice the purpose of change is editorial changes have been accepted and added to NFPA 70E, the Annex M.1.1, in an effort to correlate with appropriate terminology throughout NFPA 70E. Now, notice when we deal with this, uh, the the note states that the arc-rated flash covering and their closure design shall provide permit easy and rapid removal. In other words, have flexibility and be able to remove easily. Now, the layering of protective clothing, may include, and in most cases does include, if we reference the section D, the ARC flash control information listed there, incidental analysis method that's performed, we can use this information for an incidental energy study to select our layering and making sure that the layering provides the ARC rating necessary for the job task. Now, Section E, ARC flash hazard control information, such as your ARC flash PPE category method. Note we could use the table job task procedure and reference our table 130.7 instead of 5 here, make that a 7, C15A for AC systems, and table 130.7C15B for DC systems. And notice that we would select our equipment based upon AC or DC ratings. Now, Section F, your ARC rated clothing and other ARC flash protection equipment information. For more additional information, we'll see NFPA 70E and go to page 80, and you can pick up these sections D, E, and F and serve as an aid when you're selecting layering. But, for example, and I'm just giving an example, if we were wearing a Category 2 uniform in accordance maybe with Table 130.7C15C, Category 2 uniform is about 8 cal. And say that you used a coverall that was 8 cal. To get 16 calories per centimeter squared and get that actual rating, then you would need to make sure that the equipment met the rules and requirements of the Annex M, and that's what this illustration is trying to get over to the user of 70E.